So with all the mergers and acquisitions happening within the telecom industry, the whole concept of customer profile has become very topical. So what can service providers do today to embrace a unified customer profile?
So this is another area where, because of AI, we have an opportunity to get a handle on this, whereas before it was just a nightmare, nothing to be done. Back in the beginning of time, we had a database, and it had name, rank, and serial number, and how much you owed, and how many calls you made, and that was pretty much it, and we could handle that. But as more systems came on, Salesforce automation, customer relationship management, and then online behavior, mobile behavior, et cetera, we built these systems functionally, which means they're all in silos. So we went through about 15 years of, let's build a data warehouse. Let's just have all of this data feed into one source of truth, and that'll be great. Turns out to be that's wildly difficult. And the systems that we're using to create that required you to absolutely know the questions you are going to ask before you build it, which destroys agility. And more silos grew, and then mergers and acquisitions. So take that problem, multiply it by 10. So the logical conclusion is to take the data from these systems and do dynamic ETL, extract, transform, and load on the fly so that they're all streaming past and we can work on it as it streams rather than try to locate it someplace. This is very complex because these systems change all the time. You try to normalize the data, you try to make it so it will be correlatable, and that takes data stewards on every data stream to watch it rigorously, and that's too expensive. So what if we have a machine learning system that can watch and being given a few rules of how to normalize information, how to make sure that when this one starts on Monday and that one starts on Sunday, that this one uses one currency and this one uses another, that it is normalized so that it can be munged together. What if the AI system became responsible for that? And here's the kicker, can learn to adapt to changes. Now we have an opportunity to have not a data lake or a data ocean that is the trustworthy source, but to have a trustworthy stream that we can dip into and ask specific questions, try to solve specific problems, automate specific tasks. But if we can have the machine learn how to adapt to, oh, we just bought another company and we need to onboard all of their data streams, how do we do that? The machine can learn with human in the loop coaching to make that happen. Now this becomes possible.